Hello everyone, welcome to GreyPot. Today we are making a super cool evening snack recipe. This is so nutritious, very tasty and so crunchy. So let's see how to make this dal pakoda. Here I am using 1 cup moong dal soaked in 1 cup water and keep it aside for around 5 to 6 hours. After that, wash it and drain it. Then take that into a blender and blend it to a coarse paste. Now you have to whisk this mixture really well until it becomes really fluffy and changes its color to a pale yellow, like this. Now to check the batter consistency, take a small portion in a spoon and drop it in water, and if it is floating, that means the batter is ready. Now add some garlic, ginger, some chopped onion, coriander leaves, some Garam Masala, some Asafetida, and salt. And if you like a bit spicy, you can add some chopped green chili and mix the mixture. Now heat some oil in a pan. Drop small portions into the oil and fry these pakodas in a medium to low heat until it turns this beautiful golden shade. Now our first batch of pakodas are ready. Fry the entire batch like this. Now serve these pakodas with some hot tea. Sit back and enjoy. These moong dal pakodas are slightly crispy from outside and soft inside. So do try out this recipe and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and watch more interesting and unique recipes from our channel. Thank you.